RouteStar seamlessly ties into QuickBooks. So you have to make sure you have your items established in QuickBooks to have them be available in RouteStar. But in QuickBooks with RouteStar, you can control what items or item types appear in RouteStar simply by going to the QuickBooks icon and go to QuickBooks Dashboard. From here, click on the Settings tab and control what types of items sync over to RouteStar. A good example of one that you may not want to have sync over would be fixed assets, as an example. A lot of people will disable that. Under items, you have a lot of options here. You have your item list. From the item list, you can sort, you can export to Excel, you can do lots of things from within here. One of which is search. So I just type in, say, water, and everywhere where the word water exists, it can appear on this list. Now from here, as you can see, I've got a 10-gallon bottle. It shows you the type of item it is set up in QuickBooks. So I have my service item for water. Some people track, as an example here, inventory item in QuickBooks for water, but in this case, in our dummy company, it's set up as service. Now with the item service, I can still track the ins and outs by warehouse within RouteStar, as well as what's accounted for on every invoice. If I drill down on this item by clicking the item name, I can see all the information that comes from QuickBooks. Some other things that you can do in here is you can assign them to a warehouse group. The nice thing about this is you can have default groups for maybe loading trucks. Maybe you want a certain number of items to always be on one of your driver's trucks. You can add a group for that, and it makes loading the truck very easy. Other things you can do from under item details, you can see sales history, who takes this item, and customer specific pricing. Customer specific pricing is covered in another video. Under items, I can also go to warehouses. So you can have unlimited warehouses. Most people will set up a warehouse as the truck name and associated with that driver, so you can track the ins and outs of that location. From here, I can add or subtract items from that location. I can also do that on the mobile. So from on the mobile device, if I click on truck inventory, this driver can see what's in his warehouse. Lots of things you can do here. You can show negative quantity items, yes or no. You can also include it by date range. From here, I can add or subtract items just by hitting the add or subtract. Even put a note on why I'm returning this item. I can also transfer inventory back to a warehouse, or return it, or transfer it to another warehouse. I can load inventory into this warehouse based on the item list, meaning you can select certain items or barcode scan certain items. I can also do it by groups, and I can load based on moving averages. Very powerful. As the driver sells items off of his truck, the quantity on this warehouse will go down. Within RouteStar, under invoices, and you go to your pending invoice list, I can print warehouse packouts for the driver for a specific date just by going to the report center within the pending invoice list. From here, I can choose any number of variations of the packout report. I can base the packouts based on route schedule. I can base it on orders already pending in the system. Very, very powerful. This is just an overview of the capabilities of RouteStar. If you need more information, please contact our sales department.